Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'm going to be comparing 3 different pairs of MANOLO BLAHNIKs: the Fibiona, the Hangissi Galacia and the Lurum. Now if you haven't seen the other videos in my little designer shoe unboxing series, I've actually unboxed each of these different pairs of shoes individually and I've spoke about them in a lot more detail. So if you're interested in one or more pairs of these shoes, then go and have a look at those. But let's get cracking on with today's video. So we've got the Fibiona in red here. We've got the Hangissi Galacia in this gorgeous sparkly grey silver gold colour. And we've got the Lurum in this beautiful yellowy creamy royal blue pattern. I'm really going to have to be picky with this. So first up we've got the Fibiona in red. Absolutely stunning shoe. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. This colour is absolutely stunning. It's just this beautiful fiery red in this gorgeous kind of ripple effect material. The buckle on there is sparkling to the gods. I love this kind of frayed heel. I think it's beautiful and also it adds a level of comfort in there, and they're just a stunning shoe, aren't they? So I got these in a size 37 and I would say that these I would say that they fit pretty much perfectly. I would stick true to size with these. Your heel is very much right at the end of the shoe. So although these fit perfectly for me, if you do have a slightly bigger foot than a whole size, I would maybe recommend going up half a size, purely because my heel is right on the edge of this sole. So although it fits me pretty perfectly, if you are slightly bigger, you might want a bit of extra room on the back of your heel, because mine literally, it fits perfectly in that it looks like my heel is almost part of the shoe because it goes perfectly in line with the shoe. It's right on the end. So if that's something that you're conscious about, you like a little bit of extra room on the back, that's just something I would say. As for the comfort levels of this shoe, as I've said in my unboxing video, these aren't the most comfortable shoes that you are going to wear. They are very high considering the heel, but as I said, this flared heel adds a bit of stability to that stiletto kind of vibe. But the comfort for me is more affected by this band across the middle of the foot. I just feel as though it feels a bit too constricting on my foot. I don't know, I feel as though maybe if there was a tiny bit of elastic somewhere which had a bit of give for when your foot's moving, that might be better, but I understand that that might affect the style of the shoe since it is such a thick strap. It's not anything that puts me off the shoe, it's just something that I have to be critical about this shoe. Is just that when you've got them on, you can feel this strap kind of pressing against your foot when you're walking. But apart from that, they are an absolutely stunning shoe and this colour is gorgeous. What I think of when I look at these shoes is that they are an evening shoe. They're very glamorous. So the occasion on when I would actually wear this shoe just creeps into my head a little bit, with the colour, the style, them looking very much like an evening shoe. I just wonder, where am I going to wear it? That's all. But if I keep these shoes, I will find somewhere to wear them. Next up, we've got the Hangissi Galacia in this beautiful silver gunmetal grey, sparkly with gold sheen fabric / colour. There's a lot going on with this shoe. They are absolutely gorgeous. Again, like I said in my unboxing video, they are the classic Sex in the City shoe. They're the ones that Sarah Jessica Parker puts in her new walk-in wardrobe. They are just a staple Manolo Blahnik shoe. And it's worth noting that I got these in a size 36.5, because if you notice on the website, it does say that these run half a size larger. So these fit perfectly in a 36.5 for me, and I'm a 37. So that's just something to note. If you're thinking of buying them, go half size down. These fit perfect around the toes, around this heel section. Your foot feels lovely and secure in there. It's not going anywhere. It's not flipping off, and they're super comfortable. This heel is so nice. I don't know what it is about this shoe. It's just super comfortable, super sophisticated, super sexy, and it's just a classic. And of course, that buckle on the front is just absolutely stunning. It glistens to the heavens, and it kind of matches this shoe, which does have sparkly aspects to it, and it also has this kind of gold tinge to it as well, which is just stunning. So as much as I love this shoe, and I have no bad points to say about this shoe, what I just think about when I look at these shoes and when I have them on is just, what will I wear them with? And I feel as though these will go with a lot of things, but I feel like they'll predominantly go with black. That's just the vibes that I'm getting from them, because they are quite a dark shoe, that they will go with a lot of dark colours. And I also get this kind of corporate vibe from them. They're not corporate at all. If you wear these to the office, you're a bougie, but I just get that vibe from them, from a shoe. I think that's what it is the fact that it's this full shoe is what gives me that kind of vibe. I do get Sex and the City vibes from it, like a writer going into her office in a big magazine, and she's wearing these shoes with her office wear, with her fancy suit going on. I don't know, that's just the vibes that I get from it. So I feel like with a lot of things that I wear, obviously I'm not going anywhere into an office, so I just struggle to think of what I would wear these with in this colour. I think it's the colour that's getting me. I think because I absolutely love the shoe, I love the style of the shoe, the shape of the shoe, the comfort of the shoe. I think if I was going to get these, I would definitely get them in a brighter colour. I've seen them in like this gorgeous yellow satin, in a teal, in a hot pink, in a royal blue. I think that's the kind of colour that I would get them in, because I think that colour would take it out of like corporate, dark, going with a lot of black, to the point where you could wear them with summer dresses. Because I don't think it's the shoe shape that's making me feel this way and giving me these vibes. I think it's the shape with this colour. I mean, I know it's sparkling and everything, so if you wore these into the office, you would be making a statement, to say the least. But I don't know, I just feel as though I would prefer them in a brighter colour, so that I could wear them to more places and with more things, if you get me. I'm not sure if you're getting the same vibe, but it's just something that I think about when I have them on. Is like, what would I wear them with? And a lot of my thoughts are black. Do you know what I mean? I just feel as though they're stunning and they're gorgeous, and I do love them, but I just feel as though they perhaps wouldn't be my favourite choice out of all of my shoes that I have. I feel as though there would always be another shoe that would trump it in this colour. So that's why I feel like if I'm going to get them, I need to get them in a colour. But I still love you, and I still absolutely will get you in another colour. And finally, we have the beautiful, the stunning Lurum in this gorgeous lemony yellow, cream and royal blue pattern colour, and I am in love with these shoes. I have nothing bad to say about these shoes. I absolutely love them. I think what I love about them the most is that they are so special, and I think what makes them so special is this fabric, it's this pattern, and the colour combination is just stunning. I think it's so fresh and so summery and so feminine, yet it's so classy and so elegant, and I just absolutely love it because I've never seen anything like these before, not in this pattern with these crystals all over them in this shape. All of it together is just absolutely gorgeous and absolutely stunning. There is nothing bad for me to say about them. They look absolutely stunning. The attention to detail on these shoes is crazy. Aside from the beautiful pattern, fabric and colour combination of the actual shoe itself, this crystal embellishment detail is just insane. It's so beautiful. And I also love the shape of this strap. It's not just a normal circular even strap. It has this kind of shape where it's the same and then it thickens here and then it goes. I just love them. And not only are they beautiful, as I said in my unboxing video, they are incredibly comfortable. The heel height is nice. It looks super high, it looks super sexy, but they're not crippling your feet. They are actually really comfortable, and I think something that makes them feel even more comfortable is the fact that your foot is so secure with this strap, because as you can see here, it has a little patch of elastic in the strap, so when you put your foot into the shoe, your foot is lovely and secure and molded into the strap, and then also when you're walking you have a little bit of give with that elastic and your foot's not coming out of the shoe hardly at all. And with these, I got these in a 37 and they fit perfect. There is just a little bit of room left on the end and I quite like that. I prefer that to this one, although this does suit your foot being right at the edge so it fits with the shape of the shoe. I prefer just having a little bit of room at the end so it doesn't look like your foot is falling off the edge or anything like that. That's just the fit that I prefer, but these fit perfect and these are a 37. So I absolutely love these shoes. Gorgeous to look at, gorgeous to wear, and I feel as though, although it has colours in it, I feel as though this will go with a lot. I feel as though I can see myself wearing these with white, like a white summery dress, with yellows, with blues. I don't know, I just feel as though it looks so fresh and crisp that I could just see myself wanting to wear these with everything, despite the fact that they are coloured and they're not like neutrals. I don't know, I just think they look gorgeous. So I'm officially in love with these, officially. Absolutely love them. Incredible to look at and to wear. So special. So in terms of ranking each of the shoes, it's pretty difficult for me because I don't know, I feel as though I want to rank these two the same because I don't know. I don't know, it's really hard. It's really hard. I feel as though there's not like a bottom one with these. I feel like these two are definitely on the same level for me in terms of how much I love them. I love the colour of these and I love the shape and I love that buckle. With these, I love how comfortable they are and I love that buckle on the front. But there's just things with both of them that I would want differently. So with these, it's not so much like, oh, this one's definitely the bottom and this one's in the middle, da 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 da. I feel as though these two are definitely ranked second equally for me. And these have got to be the winner. They've got to be. Just look at them. Just look at them. They are the best. I love them. Absolutely incredible, comfortable, and I love the way that they look. That is something that is so key for me, that they are comfortable somewhat. I know that heels are not going to be like trainer level of comfort, but they've got to be somewhat comfortable. If you have it in your head that something isn't comfortable, you just will not wear it, you just won't. So I'm super, super happy that not only are these absolutely gorgeous, they are super comfortable as well. So that's the end of my Manolo Blahnik comparison. Let me know what you think down below. Which one is your favorite? Do you agree with me? Do you not? If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to keep up with the rest of my videos. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!